Hi, Pat from Jade Molds here. I want to talk to you right now about a surefire rescue plan. If you're having problems with a mold at an offshore manufacturer and you're worried about them holding that mold hostage or giving you problems or headaches if you're going to move it to a different supplier, this plan will work for you whether you're sending it to Jade or sending it to somebody else. First step, tell your supplier that you need to get that mold away from, that you're taking the mold to the United States or to Europe, you're exporting it. They'll always agree to that without any headaches. If you say you're giving it to another Chinese supplier, you might get some grief from them. They might want to hold you hostage for some money. So first step, tell them it's going overseas. Second step, the way we do it, Jade, we go with our truck, we go with export paperwork. We show them the export paperwork, we sign for the mold, we put it on our truck. For all they know, we're headed to the port and it's going on a boat, but it's not. We're bringing that mold right here to our factory to diagnose it, figure out what the problems are, and get it right. If you like insights like these from experts that know how things work in China, please get in touch with us. We've got a lot more. Thanks a lot.